Hello. Today we're going to be making a shrimp dish. We're going to be making Veracruz shrimp. Our side dishes for that are going to be an olive and corn rice. We're going to be making a vegetable stock, and then we're going to be toasting our rice with a little bit of garlic, and we're going to bring that up to a boil, and then we're going to reduce it, and then at the very end we're going to add some salt and pepper. We're going to chop up some garlic and add some corn, stir that up. We're going to be making some cilantro chili vegetables, so we're going to be putting some red onion, some red pepper, some cilantro, cucumber, carrots, and we're going to be frying the red pepper in some sesame oil, and we're going to be adding lime juice and some cayenne pepper to that, and then we're going to toss that all together. And we're just going to serve that at room temperature. We're not going to saute that, and we're not going to broil it at all. And then for our shrimp, we're going to make a Veracruz shrimp. So that is also going to get some onion and some lime and some jalapeno. We're just going to go ahead and boil our shrimp, and then we're going to take a sauce and we're going to mix it together with some spicy vegetables and make a puree, and we're going to spoon that over the sauce.